chaps, me again. I don't know if you can hear me, it is blowing an absolute gale. Weirdly the sun's out, but I'm getting blown to bits, but there we go. Right, I managed to get on the Roman site today. The rubbish that he spread before, when he muck spread it, is sort of, it's not as bad as it was, but oh well, I'll give it a go and we'll see what we get. We'll put the old 1210 over the place, see if I get anything. I won't be surprised if I don't get anything, to be honest, because I have utterly hammered this place silly, but you never know. The last time I did hammer this place was with a Fisher F5 with a 1210 on, so it'll be interesting to see what the F75 can do with a 1210 here, see if I can pull anything at all. We'll see. Oh well, I'll let you know if I get anything. Okay, so see you all in a bit. Only me! I don't know if you can hear me. Here we go, we've got a big old hole. Sorry about the shadows. Big old hole, big old turf came out. And it looks like, chaps, I don't know if you can see that. Get it in the sun. There you go. There we go. I think we got a little Roman grot. Yay! At last, something decent. Yeah, got a Roman grot. That'll be the 78th one I've had. I'll have to clean it up and I'll show you later what it is, if there's anything on it, because these grots are called grots for a reason, so I'll show you later if there's anything on it. Yay! Happy with that. If I don't find anything all day, I don't care. I'm happy with that. That'll do me. Okie doke. I'll see you all in a bit, and if I get anything else, I'll see you then. In a bit. Whee! It is blowing. I mean, it is blowing. I'm struggling to stay on my feet. Right, here we go. Right. There we go. We have a buckle. How I missed that the last time, I don't know. I think it's a buckle or a strap or some part of a buckle anyway. Right, it's not a buckle, it's a thing like you put the belt through to keep it tidy or whatever, strap type buckle, you know what I mean. Right, second find of the day. Oh my god, I'm getting blown to bits here. For you guys using an F75 and using a 1210 coil, that Roman grot came in at about 41, 43. Don't know if that's any help, but I'm throwing it out there. Right, there we go, buckle. Hee. Right, on to the next one. Big hole, about call it 6 inches down. Okie doke, in a bit. Oi oi, hey, it's me again. Right, I don't know what it is, it's some type of stud. It's in something or other. If it's Roman, I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Could be. I've had a lot of Roman stuff off this field. There, a lot of coins on he's blowing a gale. See over there. I'm getting absolutely windswept down. So there you go, third signal. Type of stud. Some might be stuck to it. Roman or not, I don't know. Alright, next one. See you in a bit. Oi oi! Now just look at this. What stuff that gets thrown out of a muck spreader. Look at that. A ruddy, bright, big, bloody filter. Christ, hey? And to think we got signs everywhere saying keep the countryside tidy, when in most cases it's the bloody farmers who are the most untidiest buggers going. You know what I mean? I'm going to dig that up in about a year's time. It's like, oh well. There you go. Nice little lovely. Right, here's a bit. Holy me! Right, chaps. I've done a couple of hours here. It's been really hard going because obviously the farmers muck spreaded this field. There's all sorts of rubbish in it. There's bits of metal, foil, you name it. There's all sorts in it. It's really making it hard. The wind's been a pain. To hear the signals, and because this is a Roman spot, there's a lot of iron in the ground. The wind's just making it. Right, for you guys using F-35, settings I've been using today, sensitivity 82, scrim at 19, notch, didn't touch it, tones, 2 tones, and D mode. Obviously with the disc level up at 19, it sets the F-75 into the high gain mode, so I couldn't use the JE because it's just too noisy in here, so I sort of compromised. I went for the DE in high gain. But a buckle, 1 Roman coin, I can't remember the other thing I had. Oh god. Oh yeah, the stud thing. And that's about it. That's all I've had here today. But to be honest, I'm happy as a pig in muck. I didn't think I'd get a Roman coin here, to be honest. Seeing as I'd absolutely hammered this place with different machines, fishers, whites, mine labs, you name it. This place has been hit. So I'm happy with the Roman coin. That'll do me. To be honest, I'm going to pack it up, go home, get a cup of tea, I'll clean up whatever I found and I'll show you in a bit. Sorry there hasn't been much video. The weather's been atrocious, we've had snow, ice, you name it, and on top of that I've been up to my neck in all sorts, and I've been doing my motorcycle test and all that. That's all done now, thankfully, so hopefully I can get a bigger bike now, so you take me to my permissions a bit quicker. Right, so I'll see you all in a bit when I show you what I found. Okie doke, see you in a bit. Hello, only me. Alright, I'm back home. I'm alive, I'm alive. Right, today's finds, that thing. Looks like a rivet or nail or something. Seems to be iron here, but this piece seems to be bronze. So I suspect it is Roman, and it seems to be the same colour as the Roman coin. And here's the Roman coin, the little grot. I don't know if you can see it. Oh god. There you go. Not in the best of conditions, but I think a lot of people have been in very good condition if they've been in the ground for nearly 2,000 years. The back end is absolutely hammered. The Emperor, I have no idea. It's such bad condition, it would be hard to identify that, but it's a Roman coin. and this thing, a buckle of some kind. And that's about it. So, not a bad outing. I'm happy with that. That'll do me. It's not every day you find a Roman coin. So, yeah, I'm pleased with that lot. Hopefully I can get out a bit more now. The weather's got a bit better, so, you know, just sat here, cleaned my finds up. Now I saw this ugly fella on the internet. Oh, look at him. Oh my God. Oh, imagine that coming at you. So, until the next time, happy hunting, and I'll see you then, in a bit.